Beneath our feet lies an incredible network called the Wood Wide Web, connecting trees in ways we never imagined. Through tiny fungal threads, trees send messages and share resources with their neighbors, creating a vast underground communication system. When a tree is sick or under attack, it warns nearby trees through chemical signals, allowing them to prepare their defenses. This hidden network helps mother trees nurture their saplings, sharing nutrients and wisdom across the forest floor. Nature's internet proves that trees aren't just standing alone. They're part of an amazing connected community.